Alright everybody, in today's video we are going to be replacing the engine air filter on this Kia Forte. Located right here is the airbox. It has two clips. They just pop off like this. Okay. And then there's a lid and a bottom portion of the airbox. The lid has two tabs on it. So when I lift up on this, I put a little bit of force that way, and then it lifts up and I pull the tabs out. You'll see where the tabs go into the housing right here. The lid goes in those and then sits on it. And it is really that easy, everybody. So here's my dirty, very due for a new one air filter. Look at the difference. Wow. So I always like to compare them, make sure they're the right size, shape. They look good to me. I'll go ahead and get this new one. By the way, here's the brand and model. I just picked this one because it was on sale at my local park place. That's why I went with this one. And installation is just reverse. So put it back in with the paper filters facing downward, and the lid is gonna go back. The lid tabs will go back into those housing inserts. Kind of have to. I'm doing this one-handed, so bear with me. Move the camera a little bit here real quick. Okay, do not fight this thing. If you're fighting it, something's wrong. Once I get those in, I can let go, and it's just resting on top. These clips should not be difficult to be put back on. If they are, just double check the filter and make sure it's on there straight. Alright, clips back on, and that is it. We've replaced the engine air filter on the Forte.